Hello students, we are going to discuss about introduction to yoga and meditation for professional excellence and stress management. Yoga and meditation, when practiced together, strengthen the mind body connection, improving overall fitness and well-being. Many styles of yoga combine meditation with the physical routine, which use controlled breathing, that is breathing control, throughout the yoga poses. You can meditate without practicing yoga by simply relaxing, clearing your mind, and concentrating on controlled breathing. Both yoga and meditation, when used consistently or regularly, have proven health benefit. Now we are going to discuss about introduction about yoga. Yoga, which developed in India, is an ancient tradition of bringing together the physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual aspect of our being. Word yoga is derived from Sanskrit verbal root yuj, which mean to yoke. It has a wide array of meaning, which range from union to spiritual endeavor. Next we are going to discuss about styles of yoga. Practice of yoga involve stretching the body and forming different poses while keeping breathing slow and controlled. Body becomes relaxed and energized at the same time. There are various styles of yoga, some moving through the poses more quickly, almost like aerobic workout. Aerobic is nothing but presence of air. And the other style, relaxing deeply into the pose. Some have a spiritual angle, while others are used purely as a form of exercise. Next we are going to discuss about elements of authentic yoga. First one, asana. This is related to body posture in terms of flexibility, strength and balance. Second one, pranayama. This is breathing techniques or techniques related to breathing. Mudra, mantra, meditation, service to mankind. These are the elements of authentic yoga. Next we are going to discuss about symbolically as a tree. Yoga is often represented symbolically as a tree and comprises 8 aspects or limbs. First one, yama. This is universal ethics, restraints, moral discipline. Second one, niyama, individual ethics, positive duties. Third one, asana, physical posture. Fourth one, pranayama, breath control or breathing techniques. Next one, pratyahara, control of the senses or sense withdrawal. Dharana, concentration or focused concentration. Dhyana or dhyana, meditation, meditative absorption. Last one, samadhi, bliss or enlightenment. Thank you for your attention.